Hi, Sandilya. I'm the Chief Growth Officer at Kore.ai. The market is no longer asking whether to adopt AI agents. It's asking who can help scale them in a way that actually delivers value. Most platforms today limit enterprises to embed AI agents in low-risk, simple use cases. Hence, enterprises cannot unlock the full potential of their AI investments. The new generation agent platform changes that, enabling enterprises to move beyond experimentation and to unlock the full value of AI with the governance, observability, and controls required to operate at scale. That is the gap we're stepping into. Now, being AI native isn't about when you are founded, it's about what you've learned. No startup building on 3 years of experience could have built what we've built. The new generation agent platform is only possible because of everything we've seen break at scale. And that experience is now your competitive advantage too. Every enterprise deploying AI agents faces the same tension. You need AI autonomy to unlock value, but you also need deterministic control to stay in production. Most platforms force you to choose one or the other. ABL resolves both. It gives you the flexibility to let AI reason and act, with the structural controls to govern exactly how far it goes. So when you walk into a CISO's office, you're not hoping your compliance holds, you can prove it at scale. Enterprises aren't short of AI ambition. What they're short of is AI they can actually scale and trust in production. That's what the new generation agent platform solves. Governance enforced by the engine, observability built into the runtime, and a platform that's been pressure tested in the most demanding environments in the world. This is one of the biggest moments in Kore.ai's history, and we're not going to market alone. We're coming to you first because your role in getting this to the enterprise market is critical. We want to equip you, excite you, and go to market together. More details are coming, but I want you to hear it directly from me. This is one of the biggest moments in Kore.ai's history, and we're building it with our partners, with you. We are fully committed to equipping you, enabling you, and winning together.